Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to lock WhatsApp profile. So when you launch, before watch the video to end to know how to lock your WhatsApp profile. Kindly subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel. When you open your WhatsApp like this, you see there's a three-line dot on your left hand side right corner. You click on the dot. Here you go to settings. You click on settings. The video is how to lock your WhatsApp profile. Here, when you come here, when you click the three-line dot, you click settings. When you come here, you will see privacy. So you click on the privacy. You click on the privacy. You see last seen online, photo, profile photo about. So here the video is how to lock your private or how to lock your profile picture. So you click on the profile pic. On the profile pic, now everybody can see your profile pic. Hence, everyone, which means everyone can see your profile pic. And here you have my contact. So those who are or those who you have their number or they have your number that can see your profile pic. And here my contact accept. So here when you choose accept, you go and click. You go and choose those. You see it as mark red. So those accept. Those accept. But for now, the motive is you cancel it. So the motive is to lock your profile pic. So you click nobody, and you go back. So when you do that, your profile pic will lock. No one will see your profile pic. Even those your friends will not see your profile pic. Your friends will not see your profile picture. And another one is settings. You click on the profile pic. You see there's a camera here. You click on the camera. You see avatar. You click on the avatar. And you create an avatar. Let's get start. Here you choose avatar. So you choose an avatar. So let me use this one. Next. Okay, so let me use this one. Next. Next. Done. Next. After you finish, you click save. When you see there's a line hit a stick on the top, when you click save, it will save the avatar so that no one will see your profile picture. So this is how you can lock your profile picture. It's a two-step that I've shown you. Can you subscribe to the channel? Thank you.